How to do uphill parking on a road test. Step number 1. Signal right and pull up beside the curb. Step number 2. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. In this video, I have explained which direction we should turn the steering wheel in and why. So make sure to watch it for a better understanding of the concept. Step number 3. Now, this step may not be required on a road test because they don't take you on an actual hill, but if they do, then make sure you follow these steps. Put the car in neutral, take your foot off the brake slightly, and let the car roll back until it hits the curb. The curb helps lock the wheel so that the car won't roll back. Hey, I'm just curious, do they take people on an actual hill on the road test in your city? Let me know by commenting below. Now, after step 3, I want to caution you not to hit the gas pedal because if you do, then the car would go up the curb and you will definitely fail your road test. So please keep your foot away from the gas pedal. Step number 4 is the last step. Shift the gear to park and pull the handbrake. Some instructors advise the students to turn off the car, but I never did that because you're going to have to drive up immediately after completing these steps. So I didn't see any point in turning the car off and turning back on to drive up. Now again, if that is a requirement on the road test in your city, then you must do it. Now, downhill parking is done pretty much the same way, except you need to turn the steering wheel all the way to the right instead of turning it to the left. So we'll follow the same steps. Step number 1, signal right and pull up beside the curb. Step 2, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Step 3, put the car in neutral, take your foot off the brake slightly and let the car roll forward until it hits the curb and the wheel gets locked. Again, make sure not to hit the gas pedal. Step number 4, shift the gear to park and pull the handbrake. So that's that about hill parking. Let me know how different is hill parking in your city. If you like this video, then make sure you give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.